The coronavirus pandemic has shaken up the global economy and severely impacted the financial services industry. Much work has shifted from in person to online mode, as is evident here. The world is faced with the limited availability of credit despite increased demand, due to a combination of liquidity crunch making lenders more cautious and safety concerns limiting in person interactions, which in turn has hindered the growth of credit underwriting and disbursement. If technology is utilized to substitute human intervention, all banking processes across the loan lifecycle can be executed without face-to-face human interaction. This will optimize the existing processes and provide customers with a seamless experience. This is an opportunity to revolutionize the microfinance industry and enable the most marginalized communities to achieve better lives.
Okay, Siddharth, how do you plan to achieve this and what systems and processes will be required for this?
Since rural India has achieved 90% internet penetration, our primary focus will be developing a multifaceted vernacular app with separate functionalities for different stakeholders like customers, agents, and credit officers. This will help us engage our customers with continuous in-app interaction, which will boost customer retention. The app can be leveraged to develop a community of borrowers with similar backgrounds, which will help generate leads from our existing network via referrals. We also propose agency banking, wherein we onboard local merchants as agents. They can act as common touchpoints and aid us in generating leads of prospective borrowers from their communities.
Okay, how do you ensure creditworthiness of the customer without face-to-face interactions and only using the technology?
The local agents will upload KYC documentation and all alternate data, and credit officers can use this along with our questionnaire to generate credit scores for people in the informal sector. The credit officer then performs the appraisal process and sanctions the loan, and a notification is received by the customer and the agent.
Okay, your solution looks technologically advanced, but what about the customers who are not that tech savvy?
The customers can also go to the agents and get their loans disbursed via point of sale machines with biometric authentication.
Okay, it appears you have covered every stakeholder in the loan life cycle. But how about maintenance and monitoring of these loan accounts?
The app will also have a feature to make payments through in-app integrated UPI interface.
Okay, what about non-app users?
Here, the agents will come back into the picture. And the same biometric point of sale machine will be used to facilitate cashless payments. To minimize human intervention, we can have ECS mandate for transactions from customer bank account to loan account. Periodic automated checks of account balances and transaction status will allow stage-wise escalations and send early warning signals to prevent defaults. All in all, the initial expenditures for developing this infrastructure and related personnel will be balanced by cost efficiencies realized in the long term. This will create a transparent system with faster turnaround.